Welcome back to Old World Ironworks. Today we're going to make a rough and ready anvil stand. There's a few tools you're going to need in order to make this happen, and a few things that I would add to this list. Now the first thing we're going to want to do here is we're going to want to measure the length of our anvil and use a scribe to mark on the board where you're going to need to make your cuts. Do this for your 1x3 pieces and your 4x4 pieces. The 2x4 you will be cutting to the width of your 4x4s when they're pressed up against each other. You'll understand as the video goes on. What you're going to want to do is figure out roughly the placement for your nails and use the smaller of the two drill bits to drill your pilot holes. Once those are drilled in, you're going to use your larger bit to provide a countersink so that you may sink the heads of your nails down into these so you have an even surface to work with. We're going to do that here and we'll be back when they're all finished. Now an important note here for you people who are watching this, mistakes were absolutely made in this video, and it ended up costing us time and a whole lot of sweat and tears. These 4x4s, or actually 3x4s here, that we used are 20-year seasoned in a climate-controlled warehouse oak. I would strongly recommend that nobody with a lick of sense ever use these for this particular project. They gave us absolute fits, and one of them actually ended up cracking, so we were now going to secure that with banding. They are so tough that we killed both of our batteries multiple times, so what was supposed to be a simple 1-hour project was stretched out over 3 days. Once you have your 4x4s assembled, you're going to use your 2x4 to create a second layer or a third layer running across your 4x4s. These are just held together simply with screws. Alright, we'll be back once this is done. As always, if you have enjoyed this video or any of the other videos on this channel, please share with your friends, like and subscribe. And if you're interested in helping to support the channel, the links to our Ko-fi and our Patreon are in the description. Any help that you are able to provide is greatly appreciated. Thank you very much in advance. Now that you have your third layer finished, you're going to set your anvil in the middle and use that as a guide to put your 2x3s on either side. It's okay if they're overly long. We're actually going to use a handsaw to nip these off. Once you have cut the ends off of your 2x3s, you're going to position them roughly in the middle of your anvil and screw those into place. These are just here to keep your anvil from jumping up out of this channel and keep it from moving around on you too terribly much. As you can see, our anvil fits tightly, has very little chance of coming out during use, and we actually have to use a hammer to slide it in and out. Congratulations, you have a rough and ready anvil stand. It's not ideal, but it will work. Also, I would recommend, unlike us, you do this on even ground so that you're not constantly fighting the stump as it wobbles around.